Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Now you do have these dots right here, kind of speckled throughout the chrome. Looking at the face of the wheel though, overall, looks really good. It is dirty back here. Then looking at the fender, that upper side looks good. Right here you do have a crack. And then some imperfections there on that fiberglass. That lower side looks good. You have a larger chip here, and then looking in here, you can see some cracks in the paint and some fiberglass exposed. Looking at the A-pillar, looks nice. Got a rock chip here, small one on the top side. Then making our way down the door. Overall looks really nice. Checking out this area, you're gonna have little rock impacts. Super common for that. And then you have some kind of peppered in this area. A few larger ones, but the rest of them are pretty minor. It's just kind of in that section. We do have a larger gash right there. Looking at the upper panel, that looks good. That lower side looks nice. Looking at this wheel, you still have those little dots, little textured look here. You can see the barrel is dirty, but the overall face of that wheel looks good. That pillar looks nice. Looking at the roof, this side looks good. And then looking at the front end, looking at that headlight here, you're gonna have little rock impacts every once in a while, but otherwise it's clean. The lens looks really nice. Looking at the hood, looks good. I see a rock chip right there, small one here. Getting close on this front bumper. Of course, you're gonna have some little rock impacts. As far as chips go, maybe a little small one there. Got a tiny one here. Looks really nice. This lens is pretty clear. This is chewed up a little bit with some curb rash, but looking at that bumper edge, got a small scratch there. The rest of that looks good. So this lower splitter does have some rash, but the bumper looks nice. Looking at that headlight looks good. So overall that front end is really clean. And then looking at the engine bay, looks amazing. That underhood liner looks awesome. All right, looking at the driver's side, you can see that fender looks good. Looks awesome. That's all perfect. And that jam is perfect. And looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Here on the side mirror, got a small rock chip there and there. That A-pillar looks nice. That door looks good. Of course, you're gonna have little rock chips here and there. Got a couple on this section. The rest of this all looks really nice. Nothing's really standing out to me up here. Fuel door looks good. Quarter panel's clean. Overall, the face of that wheel looks awesome. No curb rash on it. All right, looking at the back side here, starting with the top. All of that looks good. That looks clean. Taillights look good. All of this plastic is shiny. Okay, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. That upper panel looks good. Got the memory seating. All these buttons look perfect. All of that is really nice. Couple small scuffs on the trim. Otherwise, it looks good. You can see the jambs are nice and pretty. Couple wrinkles here. A little deeper one there, but no rips. That edge looks really nice. Upper section looks good. That bolster's perfect. And the lower pad is in really good condition. Looking at the steering wheel, has that nice matte finish to it. Overall in great condition. Gauges look nice. All those buttons look good. All of this is nice and clean. Couple little scuffs on the shifter. I'm trying to check out the upper side of the dash. Looks good from over here. All right, here on the passenger door panel. Looks good. Buttons are clean. That one looks awesome. You do have a gash right there. The plastic looks nice. Carpet and floors look amazing. That bolster is really clean. Small scuff there. It didn't rip it though. The rest of that seat looks awesome. That side of the console looks good. Dash looks nice. Of course, this side is really clean.